What's going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Toyota RAV4 plug-in hybrid with me today. Today I'm going to show you how to open up the remote to replace the battery. So we're going to flip it over to the back. There's a sliding button right here that we're going to push with our thumb. We're going to push it to the left, hold it with our thumb to the left, and then we're going to pull out the emergency key. Once we get the emergency key out, we're going to look down inside of here. There's two slots. There's one slot where the emergency key came out, and there's another slot right here that's vertical. This is the one we're going to use to open the remote. So you're going to need yourself a little flathead screwdriver. You can even use the key, but I don't recommend it. But we're going to put it in this little slot, and we're going to want the buttons facing the ground when we do this, and we're going to put it in here like this, and we're just giving it a twist clockwise, and you can see how it opens it up. This allows you to open up the remote without damaging it, okay? So we're not sort of prying on it. Gives you a little pry point that you'll never see. Open it up like this. Now when you open up this remote, all this can fall out. That's why I want you to have the buttons facing down. We're gonna put our thumb right here on the controller and hold everything together. And we're just gonna pop this little battery out right here at the bottom. Actually, these new remotes come with big batteries, which is pretty nice because these last a little bit longer. The battery size is a CR2450 battery with the positive sign facing out towards us. When we get our new one, we're going to stick it into the top first and lock it in like that. Now, if you need a battery, I will have a recommended battery link down in the description box below. It's going to take you to Amazon, where it's going to give you the right size and a good quality battery that's going to last you a long time if you need one of those. So check that out. It's real easy and convenient. And just get your back half, and we're going to start by putting it on the top first and working our way down and just locking this back on here. Okay, you hear it click and pop, and you'll see all the seams are put back together. And then you get the emergency key, and if it goes in and locks, you are pretty much all done. If this video was helpful in any way, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave me a comment, hit the like button for me, or even subscribe. Hope to see you again in another video.